In this video I will show you how you can make thousands of dollars on Upwork with a brand new account and zero job history, solely by using AI. I will show you how you can find the best jobs to apply to, how you should apply to them so you massively increase the chances of you getting hired, and how you can fulfill them with zero technical knowledge just by using AI. So the first thing that we have to do is to actually find the jobs that we're actually going to apply to. These jobs should ideally be website/app building, anything else related to coding, market research, and copywriting, since these are the ones that are easiest to fulfill with AI. For this video I will go with app building, since it's by far the highest paying one out of all, and we can very easily fulfill it with a method I'm going to show you in this video. So the first thing I will actually do is simply come over here and search for web app. And this will give us all the web app job listings over here. Now how we're actually going to sort them out is I will come over here and sort them by relevance, since I actually want the most relevant jobs. Then I will come over here and filter for jobs from $100 all the way up to $1,000, since these tend to be the jobs that are best for beginners while still paying a decent amount. And then I will scroll all the way down here and select United States as my potential client base, since clients from first world countries like the United States, you could also add in United Kingdom, Australia, etc, but these tend to be the clients that actually pay the best. So now that we put in these specific filters, I will actually go through the listings and select the ones that simply don't require a very specific way of building the app. So if you see any listing, like this one for example, which actually specifically says how you should build the app, you should avoid that. Any other listing, add it to your favorites and we will move on to the next step. So I actually did that. I added 10 to 15 jobs in my favorites. So let's pick a random one. For example, let's pick this one. And over here you can see the description of the job. But now you might actually say, oh, but Damian, I don't know how to fulfill this. I'm not a technical person. I can create an app. I can write code. Well, don't worry, because you don't actually have to write any code. We're going to use Upwork AI, specifically their brand new AI agent called Deep Agent, that is able to create apps with database support with just one single prompt. It can also set custom domains and actually host your apps. It can also do data analysis and create interactive dashboards. And the craziest part, guys, is that it can actually connect to Google Workspace and Slack, which is basically just like NRN, which is super useful when you're actually trying to create apps that integrate with different tools like Google Drive, Gmail, Google Docs, etc. And you can even do a generic task like browsing the internet, which is literally everything that we could possibly need to build any app from these Upwork listings. And since I was actually going to make a video using Upwork AI, I actually messaged them and they kindly agreed to sponsor this video. So I actually left a link in the description below so you can actually go and check it out yourself. But before you actually go and sign up, let me actually show you exactly how it works and why it is actually so useful to complete these listings. So over here we have this job description, which basically tells us that it's actually emotionally intelligent and uses ChatGPT 4 as its brain. They actually need it to sound deeply human and not robotic at all. And over here they tell us what we actually need to deliver, which is a fully working MVP that feels like a real emotionally attuned guide. It uses GPT-4 for the responses. The user can interact naturally either via text or speech. The interface will look modern and clean, and the backend prompt logic is fully hidden from the user, which is actually not that complex to build, guys, especially in the way I will show you right now. And as you can see over here, this job listing actually pays $650 for an app that we can literally build in less than 10 minutes. And I will show you exactly how we're going to do that right now. So all we'll do, guys, is simply when I come over here, literally copy everything that is inside the job listing. We will come over to Upwork AI, and over here in the tools we will select Deep Agent, which is the brand new AI agent that I told you before. So all we'll do, we're gonna come over here, paste the full job description inside here, and we're gonna come over here in the top and say, this is a job listing I actually want to complete in Upwork, so make sure you read it carefully and you fulfill it exactly as it is underneath. This is literally what the person that wants the job done has written. And all I will do, guys, is simply I will come over here and click on enter. And guys, over here, Deep Agent wants us to clarify some things, which is exactly what we're going to do right now. So at first, it actually needs an OpenAI API key. So that's exactly what we're going to give it. So to do that, we just have to come to platform/OpenAI/API keys. I will leave a link for that in the description below as well. And we simply come over here, click on create new secret key. I will name it Deep Agent, and I will come over here, click on create secret key. And boom, this is our new secret API key. I will simply copy it, come back over to Deep Agent, and I will simply say 1, this is the API key. Since this is question number 1, it has, and I will simply paste the API key over here. And guys, remember, never share your API keys with anyone. I will delete this one before uploading this video. Then 2, it actually asks us whether we want the speech to text conversation handled within the app, or we want them to be transcribed and then sent to ChatGPT 4. This is not really important, so I typed do what is the easiest for you, since that really does not matter at all. In its third question, it actually asks us about the 30 modules that we actually need to add, which we don't actually have right now, guys. And it literally understood that, and it literally said, should I create a framework where you can actually easily add them later on, which is simply amazing, the fact that it honestly understood that. So I will say, yes, make a framework where I can easily add them later on. In the fourth one, it actually asks us about the design. What we could actually do, guys, is actually go over to Google and search for emotional intelligence app and look for a UI that we actually like. Let's say, for example, I really like this one. So I will simply download it and come over here, simply upload it, make the design similar to the image I uploaded. So it actually has a very good visual reference of what we're actually going for. It always helps to show, not tell, guys. That's why it's always better to give it a visual example. And over here in number 5, this is honestly the most impressive part of all. It actually asks us, because we're going to have conversations inside the app, do we actually want to store this conversation inside the browser, or do we actually need a simple backend database? Which is, in my opinion, one of the most impressive parts about it, because it can actually create and store data in its own unique database. So I will say, create a simple database, and now that we answered all of his questions over here without prompt over here, I will simply come over here and click on enter. And guys, the fact that it actually asked us all these questions and didn't just start creating the app itself shows that it actually understands what the app actually needs to do, because all of these questions needed to be answered, guys, and we didn't actually answer them with our original prompt. So now this is actually going to build the full app for us. This usually takes around 4 to 5 minutes, since it literally writes the full code for the app. So we'll be back with you once it is done. And boom, guys, it just finished generating it. And as you can see over here, we actually have our app, which we can view in tablet format, we can view in mobile format, and we can view on desktop format as well. Let's test the mobile format, since this is exactly what we're optimizing for with this app. So I'll simply come over here and click on start your journey, and boom, as you can see over here, we actually have a chat, which we can chat with an actual model over here. And if we actually read the text, hello, I'm here to support you on your emotional journey. How are you feeling today? You can type your thoughts or use microphone to speak with me. So let's test first typing the thoughts. So I wrote, hey, I'm not feeling very well today. I had a very hard day at work. I actually got into a fight with my boss. And let's send this to actually see what this actually replies when we actually give it an actual hard situation. As you can see over here, it actually asked me to share more about what happened today in this supposed fight with my boss, which is actually pretty human-like if you ask me. So let's also test the mic over here. He is actually very annoying. He yelled at me yesterday for the smallest thing. And boom, as you can see, it was transcribed over here. So if I come over here and send this message, it said it's truly sorry to hear that. It said it's difficult when someone is in a position of authority like a boss to treat you in a way that feels harsh or unfair. My feelings are completely valid. It's okay to feel upset or frustrating, and wants more information about the incident, which honestly is very human-like behavior. Like, that's basically what a good friend should honestly say to you. Let me actually ask it for advice to see what it will actually say. So what should I do? Should I resign? So let's see what it actually tells me. And guys, look at that. I just read this whole answer and literally gave me like perfect advice. Literally told me, is this a one-off incident, or is this something that happens regularly and I should take that into account? Also told me whether my work environment in general is something that I actually enjoy, and then it actually told me to consider both sides very carefully before making a decision, which is honestly pretty good. And in my opinion, it did nail pretty well the more human-like factor that the person that posted the job actually wants in its app. If you weren't satisfied for some reason with this, you can simply come over here and prompt it. For example, hey, make it sound more like a human and less like a robot. Simply click on enter, and it will literally make changes into the way the AI responds to you, so it actually sounds even more like human. But I'm honestly pretty satisfied with it. Let's actually test the other parts of the app as well. So let me close this, and if I come over here and click on explore growth modules, look at that, guys. This is honestly super clean. And over here we have emotional awareness module. Over here we have the goal, and this is module 1. Then we have module 2, module 3, module 4, module 5. And if you remember, guys, over here these are dummy data. We haven't actually specified what these modules should be, so it just went in and added some fake modules. And if we click on start module, we can can actually talk about this specific module over here, which is honestly amazing. And guys, the best part about this app, in my opinion, is not in the preview section that we're currently in and we're able to look at how the app actually functions, is we actually have an actual backend. So if I come over here to preview and I go next to it and I click on databases, you can see that we actually have a real database in which we're actually able to store in our information about our chats. If I come over here and click on this table, you can literally see everything that I have done in this app so far. My conversations, the emotional module I just opened, my messages, user preferences, user sections. And if I go over to the messages, I can literally see all the messages I literally gave it. So it actually stores every last message I actually gave it, so it can take context from it and give me a better response, which is exactly what the person that posted the job actually wants. And over here we even have emotional tones. It literally categorizes it in emotional tones as well, which is anxious, supportive, neutral. This is simply amazing, honestly. And guys, over here we even have this file section, which actually has all the code and information about our app very well organized, so we can actually just download it and send it to our client. And as you can see over here, we have this section over here, which if we actually open the files, we can literally see the content of each specific file over here. And we also have the option to actually deploy it either with an abacus.ai domain, or if we actually have bought our own domain, we can actually use that one. So if we actually want to see it on the web, we can actually just put in a random domain name over here. For example, let me just say Damien and simply click on deploy. And if I come over here and click on view deployed website, we'll literally have our website live on the internet, which is simply amazing. So we can actually test it on the internet as well. So now as you can see, these were all of the requirements of the job, and we actually have managed to fulfill all of them simply with one simple prompt on the brand new Deep Agent from Abacus AI, which is simply amazing. So now I have successfully shown you how you can actually fulfill the job, but how are you actually going to get to the point where you're going to fulfill it, which actually means how you're actually going to get the job. Well, to do that, we obviously have to apply to the job. But what is the best possible application method which will actually massively increase our chances of getting hired? Well, we actually have to optimize our cover letter. But how can we actually do that? Well, the first thing we have to do is to simply come over here to the job post, copy the whole job post again. And what we actually have to do, guys, is to give this inside an LLM, so it actually creates us a professional looking cover letter, so we can actually use it in our job application. I tend to prefer to use Claude for these types of things, but I'm currently on the free plan and I'm not really interested in upgrading and paying the $20 per month fee. And that's why I will actually use Abacus AI, which its actual main function, guys, is to give you access to all the big paid LLMs in one simple plan that is actually cheaper than the plan of each specific LLM. So if I go over here and click on Route LLM, I can see I have access to all of these LLMs that I would actually have to pay $20 per month to each one of those to actually be able to use. But I literally have access to all of them over here. I have Perplexity Pro, GPT-4o Mini, I have Claude 4 Opus Thinking, which is actually the model that I will use to actually optimize my cover letter. And I can get access to all of them with just a $10 subscription, which is simply a steal if you ask me, because you literally get all of the LLMs for the price of just $10. And you don't actually have to buy all the premium paid plans for all of these LLMs. So I will actually select Claude Opus 4 Thinking over here. I will simply paste the job post. I will come again on the top and say, this is an Upwork job post. I want you to write me a short, concise cover letter that explains why I'm the best person to actually do this job, and reference some previous experience that I have, and I will simply click on enter. And now Claude 4 Opus will literally think first and then write us a personalized cover letter for this specific job post. But guys, this is obviously not the strategy I told you before. This is honestly pretty standard if we're actually going to be honest. Literally every freelancer does this. They just copy the job post, paste it into an LLM, then they tell it, oh, create me a cover letter for this job. And then they copy the cover letter they actually got, which in our case, it's this one, and they simply paste it in the job post. So think of the person that actually gets the applications. They literally see like pretty similar cover letters from all the applicants. So how are you actually going to be able to differentiate yourself? We will obviously still do the cover letter because it's actually the bare minimum nowadays. So we definitely have to do that. But the extra thing we're going to do to actually differentiate ourselves, we're actually going to build the product up front, which what I mean by that is do the things in the exact order I did in this video. I didn't just build the product first and then I talk about the cover letter on accident. I did it deliberately to show you that you can literally build a product like this with just one simple prompt, and then you can send the cover letter, literally telling the person and showing him that you actually have built the full product and they just need to hire you, and you can just send them the actual code for the product. But how are you actually going to show them? Well, you're going to do that with this Chrome extension, which is actually called Loom. And for those that don't know what Loom is, it's basically a Chrome extension that actually allows you to record your screen and your face, and then after you're done gives you a link which you can actually send to whoever you want, and they're able to watch the video you just recorded. So, to get to the point guys, the full strategy is this. First, you're gonna find the job post that you actually want to apply to. You're gonna do exactly what we did. You simply will take the full job post, paste it into Deep Agent, tell it to literally create you the full product, so you will literally have the full product done, and then you're going to apply to this job post. You're gonna send a cover letter, and then you're going to record a custom Loom video, basically telling the person, hey, so and so, I actually sat there and actually built you an MVP for your product. You can literally look at it over here. And literally guys, you're gonna come over here to the website you just deployed your product on, as I showed you before, and you will literally demo the product to that person. Literally tell him, hey, I built you this product, here it is. You can actually chat over here with chat, you can actually chat over here with microphone, and literally show the person that you actually have the full product ready to go, and the only thing you have to do is to simply hire you, and you literally send it over to them. That way, that person by hiring you has literally zero risk, because you already showed you can actually create the product, and they have zero waiting time as well, because you literally have it ready, and once they hire you, you can just simply send it to them. Think of this from the perspective of the person that's actually hiring. Imagine you get 10 applications with just cover letters that basically all say the exact same thing, and then you get sent in a cover letter and then an actual Loom video, which is actually the person talking to the cameras telling you, hey, so and so, I literally built the product you actually want in this job post, just hire me and I will send it to you, and they actually show you the product and it actually works. Like, which one would you hire? Like, your chances of being hired, even if the other freelancers are 100 times more qualified than you to get the job, are significantly higher than them, simply because you actually did the work up front, and you actually showed that person that you did the work with a very smart way, which is recording a custom Loom video. So that person would actually be stupid not to hire you. Now imagine you do this for like, let's say 10 people. Like guys, the only thing you have to do to actually build this product that you show is simply copy it and paste it into Deep Agent, and you literally have the product ready to go. Maybe after they hire you, you do need to tweak some things, you know, write some more prompts to make it like 10 out of 10, while it's 9 out of 10 with a first prompt. But like, the only thing you need is an MVP to simply show that person. Now if you did that to 10 people, like, wouldn't at least 2 of them hire you? Like, it will literally make no sense for them not to hire you. So if you actually want to follow this strategy, make sure you go and check out Upwork AI. The link for them will be in the description below, so you can both use the Deep Agent, which will actually build you the full app, and you also get the benefit of being able to literally select any LLM that you want, and not having to actually pay all the different $20 subscriptions to multiple LLM models. But now YouTube thinks you're gonna enjoy this video, in which I actually built a $1 million app using just Lovable and N8N. So make sure you go and check that out next, and I will see you over there.